Hey guys, it's PT, Math Musician. Today I'm going to show you how to play Drunken Sailor in the key of C minor on the accordion. So we'll go over the left hand part first with the bass notes and the chords, and then we'll talk about the right hand playing the melody. Alright, so on the left hand, you're going to want to find your C, and the C note is the one on most accordions that has the little indent on it so that you can feel it. So that's it right there. Just regular bassline C note. You're going to need that, and then you're also going to need diagonally 2 down from it is the C minor chord. You'll need that. And then you'll also need the G, which is directly above the C, like that. You'll be going back and forth, C, C minor, G, C minor, and then again C, C minor, G, C minor, kind of walking back and forth for those. And then same thing down here. 2 rows beneath the C, you've got your B flat, and you'll need B flat, and then B flat major, which is directly diagonally the next one from the B flat note is the B flat major chord. And then you'll also need the F, which is between the C and the B flat. So you'll be flipping back and forth between the B flat major, the F, and then back to the B flat major over and over again. Alright, so here's how it goes. And it just does the same thing again. Alright, and here's what the right hand melody is going to sound like. You're going to want to start with your thumb on the C and your pinky on the G. And your hand will have to do some moving around to hit some of these notes, but basically here's how it goes. Okay, so now we've seen what the left hand does and what the right hand does, and now we just have to put them both together. And then if you want to, you can just kind of embellish and go faster if you want.